Hi, hello, welcome to Learn Turkish Together video series. In this video I will try to teach animals and you'll see their English and their Turkish, and I will teach how to pronounce them. The first animal is beer. It is beer.
Animal.
Yeah. First, I should teach animal means hayvan.
Hayvan.
Yes, it's sort of not very good to use, and you can use someone to insult. So that's why better use it carefully. So
how do you call animal?
hayvan is used, but if you say it to other human beings, then they will be sad. And the animal is beer.
Beer.
It is pronounced as ayı. Ayı.
Ayı.
It's also used to humiliate other people. Like ayı is like it's used in many contexts, I guess. Bird.
Okay. Bird. Kuş.
Kuş. Yes.
Kuş.
Camel.
Camel.
Deve.
Deve.
Deve.
Deve.
Yeah, like pronounced like more faster, like deve.
Deve.
Yes. And cat is like similar to the Turkish, to English. And kedi.
Kedi.
Yes.
Kedi.
And they all don't have any grammatical structure here. They're simply noun, and they don't have anything added.
Cheetah.
Cheetah sounds like in English, cheetah.
Wow, cheetah.
Yeah, it's like probably there is no in Turkish, so that's why they copied the English one, English version. So
cheetah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken.
Tavuk.
Tavuk.
Yeah.
Cow.
Cow.
İnek.
İnek.
It's also used to tell, like, if someone is so hardworking, they call him inek.
İnek.
It shows that in Turkish culture, like being hardworking is not that super good. Maybe dog means köpek. Köpek. Yes. Donkey, eşek. Yes. And duck. Ördek. Yes.
Okay.
So the eagle. Kartal. So some divide them into two parts. Like some of them like try to teach them kartal. First you say kartal, but that's okay. You can just memorize it.
Kartal.
Yes. Elephant. Fil.
Elephant.
Fish. Balık. Great. Giraffe. Zürafa. It sounds like, because there's no zürafa like literally, and then we just copied the giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yes. Great. Horse. At. It also means like send something, like at. It's also animal, and also like at is used like send me the rock. Like you can use it like sending or someone physically. Kangaroo. It's similar too because there's no kangaroo. Yeah.
Kangaroo.
Yeah.
Lion
is aslan.
Aslan.
Yeah. It is also a name, used as name in Turkish.
Interesting.
Monkey is maymun. Yes.
Okay.
Mouse is fare. Yes, fare. They pronounce it faster, fare. Yes.
Okay.
And the last one is baykuş. Interestingly, the baykuş, bay means Mr. and this kuş means bird. It sounds like a Mr. Bird, like a serious bird, and those animals are like sort of looks serious, so you can think maybe they give this name like Mr. Bird. Bay, so you see bird is here.
Kuş.
Yeah, baykuş, Mr. Kuş.
Okay.
Okay then. That is the end of the video, and thank you for listening it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.